Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some profitable manufacturing business ideas. Perfect for developing countries, even with limited capital. Starting a business can be daunting, but these ideas offer accessible entry points and strong growth potential. Let's explore. First up, food processing. This is a massive industry. Think about small-scale production of things like jams, pickles, sauces, or dried fruits. These products have high demand locally and can be easily scaled up. Capital needed? Relatively low, focusing on ingredients, basic equipment, and packaging. The key is to start small, target a specific niche, and ensure quality. Next, consider garment manufacturing. This could be anything from tailoring and garment repairs to producing simple clothing items. The demand for clothing is universal. You can start with basic sewing machines and a small workshop. As your business grows, you can expand your product line and hire more skilled workers. Focus on local designs and materials to stand out. Another promising area is recycling. Waste management is a growing problem everywhere, and developing countries have ample waste materials. Start a business that recycles plastic, paper, or metal. This can be as simple as collecting and sorting waste or more complex, involving processing and transforming it into new products. It's environmentally friendly and can be very profitable, with the potential for government support. Now, let's talk about soap and candle making. These are simple to produce with readily available raw materials. The capital investment is low, and the market is wide. You can sell your products locally or even export them. Focus on creating unique products, perhaps with natural ingredients, to attract customers. Another idea is producing building materials. Many developing countries are experiencing rapid urbanization, creating a demand for bricks, cement blocks, and other building materials. This requires a bit more capital, but the potential returns are significant. You can start with basic equipment and gradually expand your operations. Finally, think about small-scale furniture making. Using locally sourced wood, you can produce basic furniture items, like chairs, tables, and beds. This requires some woodworking skills but can be learned. The market for affordable furniture is always there, and you can tailor your products to local needs and preferences. In all these businesses, some common factors lead to success. First, conduct thorough market research to understand local demand and competition. Second, focus on quality. Third, keep your costs low. Fourth, build strong relationships with suppliers and customers. Fifth, embrace innovation and adapt to changing market conditions. Starting a manufacturing business in a developing country with low capital is challenging, but with careful planning and execution, it can be very rewarding. Good luck!